Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. We will be evaluating these products based on their features, performance, and user-friendliness. So let's dive right in. Starting with the price, the Secura Air Fryer XL is priced at $70, while the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer comes in at a slightly lower price of $59. Making it a more budget-friendly option. When it comes to capacity, the Secura Air Fryer XL takes the lead with a generous 5.3 quart basket, which is one of the largest on the market. On the other hand, the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer offers a slightly smaller 2.6 quart capacity. In terms of cooking options, both air fryers are impressive. The Secura Air Fryer XL is an all-in-one convenience cooker that allows you to fry, roast, bake, reheat, and grill. Similarly, the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer offers versatile cooking options, making it perfect for cooking frozen treats like chicken nuggets and fish sticks. When it comes to technology, both air fryers excel. The Secura Air Fryer XL utilizes convection technology, which uses rapidly circulating heated air to achieve fast and even frying with little to no oil. The Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer features air crisp technology, reducing added fat by 70–80% without compromising the flavor. And there you have it, our comparison of the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer. Both air fryers have their unique advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.